I'm going to show you how to check your coolant level on your 1.8 liter Toyota 4-cylinder engine. They put these in the Corollas, Chevy Prizms, Matrix. While checking any coolant level in a radiator in a car, you always want it to be cold. Never open the radiator cap hot, because the coolant is under pressure, and if you open it, it will forcefully eject hot coolant upwards towards your face. So make sure you check this after the car has been sitting, ideally overnight. This is your radiator cap. Again, it says never open when hot. Grab the two fins and you're gonna turn it counterclockwise. Now, when you look inside, you should see fluid basically right away, all the way up to the top. That's when you know you're full. If you see the metal fins down in there and you don't see any fluid, you can add 50-50 coolant mix to your radiator and top it up to the top. Easy. So when you're done, take the cap in the same orientation. There's little teeth on it. You see the tabs on each side of the radiator cap. You need to fit those in the grooves here. And you're going to turn it, and you're just going to overcome the friction, keep turning until it's straight again, and give it a little check, okay? Then you're done. So after you check your radiator and make sure that's full, you want to look down here. You want to follow this hose right here. Follow this hose. This is your overflow hose. So as the coolant heats up, it gets hot, right? And it expands. So it goes out through this little spot, past the radiator cap and through this hose, and it lets off the excess into this overflow tank. Okay, so you also want to make sure that your radiator is full to the top and that your overflow tank is about halfway between the low and the full lines on the overflow. That's how you check your coolant. So leave a like, leave a comment, leave any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.